Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. So on this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently remove the CapCut ending credit scene. And here I've already opened the CapCut apps. So if you guys open or start a new project in CapCut, let's say this one, so there will be an ending credit like this from CapCut automatically added to your clips, but you can actually just click on the clip and delete it like this. But if you are tired of removing it every every time you start a new project, you can just remove it permanently by doing this. So first, just go to the settings at the top right corner. Then here there will be an option to add a default ending. To remove it permanently, you can just enable this feature by clicking on a circle until it turns to gray. So just click on discard until it turns to gray like this. So when you start a new project now, there will be no ending credit from CapCut at the end like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.